Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? My name is Zach and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I turn this picture exactly, into this epic jellyfish edit, alright? So if you want to see how I made that, watch the rest of the video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. So first use pen tool to crop him out. Here comes the epic speed edit. Then I added this forest in the background because I wanted to make it look really dark, so I think this forest fits perfectly. Then I went to filters, blur gallery and field blur to actually blur the background. So to match him with a background, I used level adjustments, went to options, auto options, and used fine dark and light colors, and just clicked the darkest parts of the background, the midtones of the background, and the highlights of the background. So because there were no highlights on the of the background, he was a little bit too dark, so I just double clicked the layer and just used this slide to remove the effect on the light parts. Then I found this briefcase. I honestly don't know why I used it, but why not, I guess. Just cut it out and I just put it down there. Perfect. Then I started blending in the briefcase. And then when I finished that, I added this jellyfish, and I think that looks pretty good. Then I made a color fill, turn it white, made put the blend mode to color dodge, and just paint a little bit, and then reduce the fill of that color dodge. So just to make the jellyfish glow a little bit. Then I went back to him, used the hue and saturation, which is the adjustment that I most typically use, and just clip that, colorize it to blue, turn the saturation up and the light up, and just paint the face because the light of the jellyfish is shining blue on his face, and just remove the dark parts because we want the light parts to be painted, right? Then I copy pasted that layer and just started painting the highlights on the edges. And yeah, the epic speed art, you guessed it. And stop. When I was finished with that, I remember I forgot to record the other parts. So I'm just gonna click through the layers to see what I've added and to see what I've done. Okay, so I added a little bit of lights behind him, a little bit of particles, dust particles, and I added a few more jellyfishes, added highlights on the right side. That's about it. In the end, I decided to add another jellyfish and to change the color of each one jellyfish to be different, and use the camera filter to finish that, and that's it. Yeah, really short. This is before, this is after. Just a little quick, fun, and cool edit. Hope you learned something new. Yeah, that's it. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on the bell for more videos. And since the Christmas is coming, if you have any Christmas theme ideas that I should do, any challenges or stuff like that, let me know. So see you guys in the next video. Peace!